guys, what's up? It's Laci, and today I'm going to be destroying my rental kitchen. We're actually going to be testing out all these products that claim that they're renter friendly, so I'm risking my security deposit, and let's just see if all these products that I used in my kitchen are renter friendly. We're gonna take them out and see if they destroy my walls, my cabinets, my countertops, my appliances. We are gonna get in there and see. Let's just see the damage. If you guys want to see how I completely transformed my rental kitchen, I'm going to have a link below, and I'll also list a card here so you can click on my playlist of all my renter-friendly hacks. And if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of DIYs and room makeovers, and for 2018, I have so many big plans, you guys. I'm so excited. And there's going to be a lot of changes, too. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see what the changes are. So the first thing that I went to remove was the faux cabinets, and let me tell you guys, this stuff came off super easy. Most of the product came off just in one piece, so it was really easy to remove. It's something that made such a big difference, and it left no sticky residue on my cabinets, which made me super happy. The next thing that I removed was the stainless steel. And let me tell you guys, you have to use heat to remove this, because if not, it's going to be really hard to remove. And this stuff is so thick that when you pull it apart, it's like you have to pull the whole thing in one piece, which is nice because you don't have to sit there and pick and pry it like a million different pieces. It's not going to split and many different pieces that you're going to have to pick off. So it's really nice that it's thick, that you could just like pull it all, but you will need a blow dryer to remove it. It just kind of loosens up the glue or like the adhesive, and this stuff is awesome. You just pull it off, it comes off in one piece, and there is no sticky residue left behind. For my oven, I did put like the lock on the oven, because as you pull it, you know, you can't be having your oven open every time you pull. There was no sticky residue left on my dishwasher, my stove, or my refrigerator. Really easy, just one swipe and it was done. So that was really nice. This is a really great product. I highly recommend it. And now for the wall tiles. This is the product that I was most worried about. I was afraid that this was just going to completely destroy my walls just because of the prior product. I was told that it wasn't renter friendly. This is a different brand. I was told by the company that you have to use heat to remove these, so I used my blow dryer and I went in sections, and when I pulled it off, there was some paint that got left behind that was on the back of the tiles, and I'll tell you what I think happened. I think that these are renter friendly, and I think the only reason why the paint got lifted up was because prior to me moving in here, they paint the apartments. So you're supposed to wait technically like 2 weeks to 4 weeks for paint to completely dry. I don't think that the walls were like completely dry. I mean, they were like dried at the touch, but still, I could just tell that when I was taking the tiles off, a lot of the paint was coming off and it was like goopy paint. But all in all, I think that the tiles are wonderful. I would totally use them again. I have nothing against them. I just think that I should have waited a little bit longer to install them because of the fact that I put them in so quickly after I moved in, and a lot of the paint wasn't already dry. That's why I was taking some of the paint off. But all in all, these like exceeded my expectations. I thought they were going to completely destroy my walls, and all I did was just take off a tiny bit of paint in some spots, which is totally okay. I could just patch it up with some more paint. But it's not awful. I mean, just a couple spots where they lifted up the paint. Other than that, it worked out great. I was super happy with how the countertops removed. Once again, you have to use a blow dryer or some form of heat to get these really hot, and then they just like slide off. It's pretty cool, actually. And I just worked in sections because it was much easier that way than trying to rip the entire countertop piece off of my counter. And there was literally no sticky residue left on my countertops either. And this before and after is a little bit different, because here's the before where I think I did a really good job updating it, and then here's the after where I just put it back to how it was when I moved in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this inspired you and gave you a little bit of faith in some companies that you can actually trust and products that you can use in your rental kitchen to make it look nice on a budget. And you guys may be wondering, like, Laci, why are you destroying your kitchen? Why are you doing all this? Well, You guys remember Brandon, right?
Let's just put this in a hallway and keep it extended.
Blooper one.
Blooper one. Yeah, that's not working either. Is it? Yeah, let's go to the living room. And let the bloopers begin.
There's going to be a lot more bloopers where that came from. Because...
They're moving in!